Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at how to do two-step equations. Two-step equations. So, as the title says, there are equations with two steps. In this first example here, I show you that the first step is to subtract. Sometimes it could be add, and then the last step is to divide. Sometimes it could be multiplied. So this is a build from the one step to two steps. But if you understand the one step, then it's just two of those same steps rolled up into the same problem. So let's take a look at a couple examples. So first, I want to go over something. We talked about PEMDAS when we're doing order of operations. Solving equations is the reverse to PEMDAS all the way up to the E here. You do add and subtract first, multiply and divide next, and then if you have exponents, you solve those last. Okay, it's giving those two examples here, um, in these two examples here. So I'm going to go ahead and go over each one of those with you right now. So here we have 4x minus 3 is equal to 15. If we didn't know it was 15 and we knew what x was, we would plug in the x, multiply it by 4, and then subtract the 3. But we're doing the reverse of PEMDAS. So what we're going to do is work with the subtraction first and do the opposite of it, which is add. We're going to add on both sides. So here we add 3 on both sides. And then 15 plus 3 is 18. Negative 3, positive 3 gets you 0. And then I bring down the 4x. Alright, and next we're going to divide 4 on both sides. Okay, the 4's are canceled out, giving me 1x, and then 18 divided by 4 is 4.5. Alright, let's take a look at another example. Okay, here, typically if we was doing order of operations, we would plug in that x, divide it by 3, and then add 2. Here we're going in reverse. So instead of adding 2, we're going to subtract 2 on both sides. Here they just said adding a negative 2 was the same as subtracting 2. Alright, so we get 9 minus 2, which is 7, and I bring down this x over 3 right here. And then finally, we're going, instead of dividing, we're going to multiply by 3 on both sides. Multiply by 3 on both sides. That'll get us just the x here, and then 7 times 3 is going to be 21. Alright, here's a couple of practice problems. You can go ahead and try to solve these. Pause the video and try to solve them. Alright, let's take a look at number 1. Number 1, first thing we're going to do is add 8 on both sides. 4 plus 8 gives us 12, and then divide by 3, and x is equal to 4. Alright, on number 2, we're going to add 4 on both sides, bring down the b over 2, and then multiply by 2 on both sides, and b gives us 60. Alright, and that's it. That is working two-step equations. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.